Hi, I'm Tim Reynolds, President of Tribute Incorporated. I'd like to introduce Jay Adams of Riverbend Hose Specialty of South Bend, Indiana. Jay's going to walk you through his operations and show you how they're using TrulinX to streamline those operations and meet the changing and increasingly complex needs of his customers.
I'm Jay Adams with Riverbend Hose Specialty in South Bend, Indiana. We're a value-added hose and fitting distributor serving large production OEM and end users in a variety of markets. Riverbend Hose is growing. As we continue our growth, both through expansion and acquisition, it became apparent that we needed an ERP system to help us meet our strategic business goals. Each of our businesses and divisions had specific requirements and needs. We needed a robust ERP system to help us meet all of our business needs. We also needed a strategic software partner that understood our marketplace, had the resources and support to help us as we go down this road of continuous improvement and growth. TrulinX met those requirements. TrulinX is very hands-on, flexible, and committed to excellent customer service. Here at Riverbend Hose in South Bend, our hose division is a typical value-added industrial hose distributor. We have a robust walk-in business at our Parker store with one of the most active counters in the industry. We have to be able to handle any type of walk-in custom-made assembly, both hydraulic, industrial, and tubing. The counter program with TrulinX meets those needs. Our other division, Metal Products, manufactures metal hoses, industrial hydraulic tubing, and pipe assemblies. We also have a precision machine shop with CNC equipment. We need a BOM and work order capabilities to handle flow through multiple work centers that change with each order. At a corporate level, we needed a strong accounting and financial reporting system that can handle all of our companies and divisions at a P&L level and roll it all up into consolidated. We also needed to be able to easily add acquisitions into the system. TrulinX met those requirements also.
We are really impressed by Riverbend Hose's operations and very proud to be their software supplier. Tribute sells our TrulinX software only to distributors of industrial and specialty hose, fluid power, motion control, and related industries. As a result, we're able to focus on the very special and unique needs of these distributors and deliver software and support that helps them be leaders in their businesses.